Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you guys my top 7 favorite fall trends. This year especially, I am really loving a lot of the fall trends, and I've been looking through a lot of them and I narrowed it down to 7. So that's what I thought I'd share with you guys today, and how to make them more wearable for your everyday life. Because it's not every day we attend New York Fashion Week or something like that to wear these trends. And I figured, why not share how to style them, incorporate them in your everyday style, make them way more wearable. So if you are new here, definitely consider hitting subscribe below. I make fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos here on my channel, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it so I know to do more styling videos like these. You could also follow my Instagram below. It's Lace and Lashes blog for more everyday outfit inspiration and behind the scenes on my Instagram story. Okay, we're gonna get started with the first fall trend, and that is animal print. We are seeing so many different animal prints in a lot of the fall pieces, whether it's with a pair of shoes, skirts, sweaters like I have on right now. So many different ways you could incorporate animal print handbags into your fall outfit. I have to say, I think this is one of my favorite ones, and I have the most pieces in my wardrobe that would be considered trendy, although I feel say leopard is very classic, so it's very easy to incorporate leopard. Say for example, leopard and snake print are my 2 favorite animal prints. With sweaters like I have on today, I have this one. I'll have all the items that I mentioned. I'll link them down below in the description box for you guys. But I just got this leopard sweater and it is so cozy. I just love it so much, but it's really, it's not in your face leopard, which is nice. So if you want something more subtle, it's really nice and cozy and soft. It's not itchy, and it's really affordable too. So loving this. I have some leopard boots that I have been loving wearing. I wore them on my recent trip to New York City, and I wore them practically all day in the city, and they did not hurt my feet. I also have a pair that are under $35 that are very similar in case you guys wanted a more affordable option. So leopard booties, you could pair it with a pleated midi skirt. You could pair it with jeans, just so many different ways to incorporate that into your outfit. It's just a pop of leopard. You could do a leopard belt, a leopard handbag. There are so many different things that you could incorporate leopard. I feel it's just so easy. Snake print. I have snake print ballet flats, and they're just so chic and on trend. So the easiest way to go about this trend is just to pick one part of your outfit, go with that pop of leopard, pop of snake print, whatever the animal print you want to pick, and then just go off of that, and then just go completely neutral for the rest of your outfit, and then you'll have a really easy but trendy fall look. The second fall trend, another one of my favorites, are fall florals. You guys know I'm already into the floral print, but moody florals, so a lot of the darker colored florals are really on trend, but I even feel any kind of floral print looks really pretty. Again, florals are such a classic print, but for fall, we're just seeing such a nice, dark, moody floral. It kind of gives off that romantic vibe, which is so pretty. I'm gonna link below some of my favorite fall floral pieces. The easiest way to wear this trend would just be with a dress. I think just a gorgeous, burgundy floral dress, or navy, or anything really dark would be really pretty. But even at the same time, any kind of fall floral, whether even if it's a lighter color, I think is absolutely gorgeous. Trend number 3 is neon. We are seeing a lot of neon for fall, which you would think would be a summery thing, but we're seeing it in fall. I am seeing it mainly with sweaters, so a neon purple sweater just adds that pop of color to your outfit, because in fall we just see so many dark colors. Seeing bright colors neon yellow, neon purple, a lot of those colors are just all over, especially in sweaters. I think it's an easy way to incorporate it. So a cute neon sweater. You could do a neon pink. I have a neon pink sweater. I think it's perfect for fall, just to add that bright pop of color, which I think is so fun. Another way I would incorporate the neon trend would be either with shoes or a handbag. I would do either or. Again, I would only pick one aspect of your outfit. I wouldn't go all out with the neon. I would pick one little aspect, whether it would be with your shoes, whether it's a pair of neon pumps, or a neon handbag, just that little pop. Okay, before I get into the 4th trend, I want to do a little giveaway for you guys. If you watched this long in the video, I thought it'd be just fun to do a giveaway. I'm not advertising this video as a giveaway, so if you're here, this is just for you guys. I just want to thank you all for all the love and support you guys have given me. So I'm going to do a little fun giveaway on this video and on my Instagram page. So I'm going to be giving away a $50 gift gift card to a retailer of your choice. You could either choose between Nordstrom or Amazon. It's a $50 gift card. So if you do win, I'll ask you if you want Nordstrom or Amazon, and you could take your pick at which retailer you would like the gift card to. But all you have to do to enter is comment down below letting me know which trend is your favorite. Is there a trend you're not completely in love with? Just let me know your thoughts on your favorite fall trends below, and include your Instagram handle, and then all you have to do is like my Instagram photos for the next 7 days. So you could start with this photo right here on my Instagram feed, and then just like all my photos until next Thursday. So just feel free to like and comment on my photos, and then just leave that comment below and you'll be entered. Be sure to leave your Instagram handle and your comment below so I know to check for the giveaway winner, to make sure you completed all the entries, because you guys are seriously just so amazing, and I just thank you for all the love and support. So just my little way of saying thank you to you guys. Okay, the fourth fall trend, another one of my favorites. You guys, as I said, I'm loving these fall trends. It is puff sleeves, or like the balloon sleeves. Any kind of statement sleeve really is really great and on trend for fall. I personally love the puff sleeve. I've been wearing this one sweater from Revolve recently, like nonstop. It is such a good sweater. It has like a little, it's a short sleeve sweater, and it has like puff sleeves, and it just looks so cute. And it's a great neutral sweater, and it's super like buttery soft too, so I highly recommend that sweater. But I'm gonna link below a bunch of other like affordable and more like higher end options in case you want to check both of them out. But I'm gonna link below, yeah, some of my favorites, because I'm loving the puff sleeves. I also have a few like balloon sleeve like tops and blouses. I just think there are just so many like great pieces that's super easy to incorporate. You could wear a top or a dress to wear that trend. So whether you wear like a balloon sleeve cardigan, sweater, top, dress, so many different ways to wear that. Just like play it up with your sleeves, make it super fun, girly, and feminine. So that's why I love it, because it is so girly and feminine. Trend number 5 are satin skirts, or like a satiny kind of material skirt. Usually like a midi skirt. We're seeing so many of these skirts, especially in leopard. I have a leopard skirt I recently got from Amazon that I'm loving. It's under $30 and it's great. I wore it actually with that puff sleeve sweater, so like you could do 2 trends in one. But either way, you could just even do it with a graphic tee. Looks super cute. A cami for date night with a little moto jacket. So many different ways to incorporate this. Again, it's such a classic silhouette, but like the satiny material makes it really romantic, girly, and flirty, which I love so much, and just super chic. You could pair it with some white booties to really be like, if you want to like that complete trendy look, or if you just want an everyday look, I would just do a neutral booty. I think that would be really cute with the boots as well. Trend number 6 is long coats. So we are seeing so many really long like coats, like a duster style coat. I actually am on the hunt for the perfect one. So as I search for my perfect coat, I'm gonna have a board. I'm gonna have a little collage of all like my favorite coats, and I'm gonna link them below as well in case you want to check out either my blog post or the description box. Either way, you could check out some more. But there are so many great long coats out that I'm like trying to decide on which one I want to get. But anything like with a longer, you know, coat would be right on trend. I think that trend is really great because it's very flattering. I feel like it really just makes you look taller. It's just really flattering, and like it just looks so nice and chic, like a long coat and like a cute dress or something. It just looks so good and just so stylish. And trend number 7, the very last trend I'm going to discuss today, is lavender. I have to say, at first I was not like the biggest fan of the lavender trend. I just didn't like always have a lot in that color palette in my wardrobe, so I wasn't like always the biggest fan. But I have to say, now that I've been trying on some pieces with lavender in it, I just think it is such a gorgeous color, and it's just, I actually feel like it's very flattering on a lot of different skin tones. I just think it is such a pretty color. Like, it just softens up your look, and it just makes it look so ultra girly and feminine, and just like really pretty. So you could do like a fall floral even in a lavender. I saw a lavender top recently that was just so gorgeous, and I just was like, that's it. Like, I'm really loving this trend now. So again, there's just so many different things you could pair with. I see lavender handbags, lavender coats, I see lavender tops, I mean dresses, everything, cardigans. There's so much lavender now that if you go to a store now and take note, you'll see probably a lot of lavender in like every single store. So it's a really great color, and usually you would think it would be for spring, but again, we're seeing these spring and like summery colors into fall, like with the neons and then like the pastel like lavender color. I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and again, I think it's very, very flattering. So that is gonna be it for today's video, my top 7 favorite fall trends and how to wear them every day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys are definitely gonna have to let me know which trend was your favorite below, or if there's a trend that I didn't discuss and you're like, I'm not so sure about. Like for me, the mini bag trend, I'm just like not so sure. Like, you know, those like really teeny bags that are like, I feel like you can't even fit a phone in. I'm like, why? Maybe, I don't know. Someone needs to explain this to me, but I don't know. That trend, not so sure about. But yeah, you guys have to let me know which ones are your favorite, not so favorite. Let's discuss this below. I'd love to hear it from you guys. Definitely consider hitting subscribe before heading out of this video for more videos like these. Definitely hit this like button if you stayed until the end, and that really lets me know that you guys love the video, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video very soon. Bye.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me.